basically there are three different ways. We've already talked about stories. Stories are 15 seconds long. Chelsea, you can just basically make an image to make the circle headers, add it as a story thing, and then just add it in the story space, or you can actually load it up separately. It allows you to do that. You can just load an image. Okay, so let's just start with stories. So stories last for 15 seconds long. You can have as many as you like. Stories, you can do a cool thing on stories, which we don't probably have a lot of time to go through at the moment. But when you're making a story, there is a hands-free option. If you log down here, there's a thing called hands-free. And if you press hands-free and then you hit record, you don't have to hold on to it, and it'll just let you record, and you can talk as long as you want. And it does it for up to 4 stories for up to a minute. So those are stories. And as we said before, it's ephemeral content. It disappears. Then we have IGTV. IGTV is video that's longer than a minute long. So I load up like clips of podcasts, like 2 or 3 minute clips. I might do like a tutorial. I might share you could share a new range. You could talk about things. That can be an Instagram TV. The other thing that you can do with those IGTVs is you can go live on Instagram, which will be saved as an Instagram TV. So you go live through the stories function, and then it saves it through the Instagram TV. The next one, the third one, which isn't in this order, are Reels. Now, Reels are like a TikTok. For those of you that have seen TikToks, they are a short period of video that is meant to, at the moment, be fully for entertainment. So I have a real struggle with this because I want to use them to educate. So I sometimes use my Reels to educate. At the moment, Instagram pushes them out, like pushes extra power behind your Reels if you're not super famous, around every 3rd day. And so every 3rd or 4th day, it will push out your Reel a little bit further. So today I have calculated that day is for me today. Sometimes I forget and I don't do a great Reel, and so it doesn't go out as far. But if I do a Reel that I know is going to be a bit more viral type, it will get far more response if I send it out on that day. So that's part of why some of your Reels go up and down, is Instagram don't push them out to everybody every day that you do them. But a Reel is under 60 seconds long, but the best ones are under 15 seconds, and the very best ones are under 7 seconds long. So this is very short form content.